Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by picking the fastest reliable path: built-in recorder, dedicated app, or an external mic with the right adapter. Once chosen, make sure you've given the app microphone permission and turned on Do Not Disturb so alerts won't ruin takes. Next, physically connect the mic: Lightning, USB-C, or 3.5mm TRRS, and watch for the device indicator. Do a short 3 to 5 second test to confirm audio is being captured. This saves time and avoids surprises later. Now you set the practical capture parameters. Open the app's input settings and pick 44, 1 or 48K HC, and a lossless or high-quality codec like WAV or high-bit AAC. This affects editing and storage. Once set, adjust gain so your loudest words don't clip. Listen through headphones while someone reads a paragraph. Position the mic about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth, use a pop shield, and dampen nearby hard surfaces to reduce room echo. When levels look good, finish by stopping and saving the file with a clear name and metadata, then back it up to the cloud or transfer via USB to a computer immediately. If you plan to edit, convert or trim in your editor and export at the sample rate and bit depth you selected earlier. If something goes wrong, no audio or silence. First, check microphone permission and the chosen input, then inspect cables and adapters, lower or raise gain, and restart the app. That sequence resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.